Welcome to Pharaohs in Training. I am Marcus, and I'm going to show you guys how to solve multi-step equations. When beginning this problem, the first thing that you want to do is draw your river. My river indicates organization because when looking at this mathematical sentence, I can now identify my left side and my right side. When observing, the procedures should be followed by doing the distributive property first. So I look for parentheses. Outside of the parentheses, I must distribute it. And I do that by making it rain. Whenever you make it rain, your main operation is multiplication. So here we have 2 times b, which will be 2b. 2 times 2 will be 4. Everything that I do not touch, I bring down. Now we're done distributing. So I cross this out and I look for like terms. The like terms that I look for must be on the same side. As you can see, I have a term with a variable and a constant term. They are not alike. I look on my right side, same situation. Now we apply the inverse. And inverse means opposite. When applying the inverse, we choose any of the 4 terms and apply its opposite. I'm going to choose negative 9b. The inverse of negative 9 is positive 9. So I write it below. What we do on one side, we apply to the other. And we now have 11b plus 4 is negative 18. The river still applies and the variable is not all by itself. So I draw my river again. I apply the inverse to the constant terms, and we subtract 4 to both sides. Because what I do to one side, students, I apply to the other. We have 2 integers, and when dealing with those integers, think of yourself underwater. As of now, you're 18 feet, and you go down 4 more feet. You are 22 feet underwater, and whatever we do not touch, we bring down. My variable is still not alone, so now we must do the opposite of multiplication. That's division. And what you do to one side, you must do to the other. Cross out my left, and b is negative 2.